Love your fans. We've got one more request. They want you to perform a funky song for them, right? Do you guys want this or no? Yes, we've got the entire crew ready here backstage. Yes, this one's only for you guys. That's because she loves y'all as much as you guys do. Ladies and gentlemen, Chaka Chak, Sara Ali Khan, live for you guys. Keep clapping, let's sing on. Okay, Sarah, I'm not going to call on the request. They want you to dance once more. Only say no if you're up for this.
सीधे राजा राम की डायनेस्टी से स्वयंवर होता है हमारे यहाँ. हम नहीं मानते जबरदस्ती की साथ.
क्या बात है यार, please give it like nobody else has. So congratulations on this one, Sarah.
Thank you.
Sarah hit है.
Yes, that's true. The favorite part of the trailer, I have to tell you, is वो वाला scene जहाँ पर आप bottle फोड़ते हो. And the audience has requested us if
मैं
you
bottle फोड़ू सकता.
कि आप वो scene enact करो हमारे. Do you guys want that or no? Yes. We also have the balls ready for you.
मैं bottle फेंकूं आप लोगों पर.
वो भी इनको चलेगा ना, वो पीछे वाला तो वो भी चलेगा। जैसे
Yes.
यस
strong है।
ओके ठीक है, हम पी लेंगे, हम थोड़ा पी लेंगे, पर अब
अच्छा।
बॉटल हमारे पास रेडी है। कैन वी हैव दैट सीन वंस अगेन?
ताकि कैमरा पे लगना चाहिए सीधा आपको ही। पी लो।
सॉरी, अरे कैन शी ड्रिंक और नो? से यस गाइस, वंडरफुल।
रिंकू सूर्यवंशी नाम है हमारा, सीधे राजा राम की डायनेस्टी से हैं। स्वयंवर होता है हमारे यहाँ, हम नहीं मानते जबरदस्ती की शादी।
क्या बात है यार, प्लीज गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एवरीबॉडी। Today is of course a very special day, Sarah. You're here for the song launch of Chaka Chak is come out and people are loving it already.
It's my first solo song ever.
Please give a huge round of applause.
And I mean, it's a year ago at this time when lockdown had just opened up. The first thing I did is shoot this song.
Wow.
6 महीने का लॉकडाउन था, हम सब घर पे थे, बंद थे, पता नहीं बस खाना खा रहे थे, टीवी देख रहे थे, और जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खुला पहली चीज जो आनंद जी ने हमसे कराई वो है चकाचक। तो इतना अजीब लग रहा है आज कि ये फिल्म आने वाली है, ये गाना लॉन्च हो चुका है, 1 साल हो, इट्स जस्ट अनरियल। सो थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव दैट आई होप यू विल गिव मी।
Of course, yes. We already are. Look at that.
So yeah,
We're really excited for this song. What we're going to do is, we want to have a look at the song with you. The audience is really excited. Are you guys excited? No, this is very right. I said, are you ready? Alright, can we please have the AV of Chaka Chak?
Chaka-chak! Thank you guys!
Thank you so much, guys. Please give it up for the lovely girls who danced us. And now, please give it up for Sarah. I think she's done a brilliant job with this song. Alright, time for a few questions now. I think we've had a lot of dance and music. I want to know a lot of things from you.
Okay.
Firstly, tell me, how was this experience of coming back to college with seeing real people in front of you after 2 long years?
Amazing. It's amazing. I just want you to know this is the first time, and maybe like one of the only times I'm going to see this song like on a big screen.
Wow.
So genuinely thank you guys for making this possible for me. I do this for you guys. I love my job. I love my job a lot, but I can't deny that a really large part of it is to be able to come and see young people, old people, girls, boys just laugh and have fun and enjoy themselves. And y'all are the people that motivate and inspire me to do anything that I do. So thank you. Truly, thank you.
Sarah, before you came, I think a lot of people, they just had this one dialogue that they were saying. They said, Namaste Darshako.
Namaste Darshako.
That's wonderful. But Sarah, how was it working with 3 powerhouses? We had Dhanush, we had Akshay Kumar sir, and of course, the very talented Anand L. Rai sir. How was this experience? What is so different about this film that you've never done? What is so different about the character that you've never played?
I think the like Bihari dialect is new. Throwing bottles is new. My first solo song is new. All of it is new. I think that Anand ji is just the most loving, he's just superb. He's so emotional and he just makes you understand exactly what the character is feeling and helps you get that to life. Dhanush sir is Thalaiva of the South, as we know.
Absolutely, yes.
Akshay sir is Thalaiva of the North, which I used to call him. And it was just so inspiring, you know, so much energy, such positivity. Akshay sir is one of the biggest stars ever. Dhanush sir is a national award winner. It was just great to be able to be on that set, was a privilege in and of itself. And this song, I mean Shreya ma'am, Vijay sir, my choreographer, Irshad sir's lyrics, Rahman sir's music, I can't believe this is me. Like, I'm in shock. I'm like, what? Really?
This is wonderful. And I must say, with the kind of people that have been involved in this project, I'm sure it's a wonderful feeling.
Thank
And
you.
it's going to take you places. We can already see that. The
God
way
willing.
you've evolved as an actor, the way you've evolved as a human being, your humility, it speaks volumes. So thank you so much
Thank you.
for doing what you do and inspiring a lot others in being like you. My next question to you is, of course, very simple. When you have people like Akshay Kumar, when you have people like Dhanush sir, when there's someone like A.R. Rahman, his music, does it inspire you or do you feel a little intimidated? कि यार कैसे करेंगे?
You have to meet these people in real life. धनुष सर, अक्षय सर, आनंद सर, ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि मतलब ये दिग्गज सितारों के बीच एक नई लड़की आई है. They are so warm, so welcoming, so encouraging, so inspiring. मतलब I couldn't have asked for a better team at all.
And I think all that result has shown. We can see it in the trailer, and I'm sure we're going to be seeing it in the movie as well. Can we please give it up for Ratnamji Rewaz?
Thank you for all your love and watch the film on Christmas.
Yes, it's streaming from the 24th of December exclusively on Disney Plus Hotstar. But Sara, your fans, they really want to talk to you. They want to ask a lot of questions to you. So we gave them an opportunity. We've had people in the audience who want to ask a few questions. So
Lovely.
yes, can you guys kindly raise your hands and we're going to be giving you an opportunity to ask the questions. Can we have a mic that is passed on there? Yes? Quickly.
Any particular fun incident that you remember?
College was a blast, as you guys know, I'm sure. I think the best part of it was living alone. I think that I learned so much on just like being on my own. I missed India a lot, I missed mom a lot. But I think college was just amazing. There's not one thing I can point out. But I'll tell you this, that I went to college to study law. And I did an acting course there. And I participated in a play there. And that's what changed my life. Which is why I'm here right now. Because I decided I want to act. That happened in college.
That's wonderful. Yes, we have one more person who wants to ask a question. Can you please pass on the mic? Yes.
When you are on set, what do you do to unwind?
When I'm on set, what do I do to unwind? I think after set is when I unwind. But on set, I think that just being fully present, listening to my director, participating with my team, listening to music if I need to, not get distracted. That's what I do.
Yes, can you please have a huge round of applause? Okay, this is the final question that we're taking. Thank you so much to the fans. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I have one last question for you, Sara.
Please.
There's a lot of people here. I know a lot of my friends who really look up to you, who want to be like you in one way or the other. If you had to give them a piece of advice to just make it big in whatever field that they want, what would it be?
Don't want to be like anybody. That person already exists. Be you, be honest to who you are, and work hard because all dreams that are really wanted do come true at the right time.
Alright, Sara, I just want to thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much
Before we
for
let you go,
having me.
we've got a few activities planned.
Activities?
Yes, a few activities planned. Our team has got a cake for you.
Oh, yummy.
Now that we're launching the song Chaka Chak, we have a cake for you and
Okay.
we'd love for you to cut that with us. Do you guys want that or no? Come on, be a little loud.
Before cake, मैं मोटी हो जाऊंगी suddenly. सही कहा, अभी ले लो. All good?
Yes, yeah, all set. Sara, wait, Sara. Sara, look at center. Center में नहीं है. सारा जी आपको राइट में. सारा सेंटर. सारा जी नमस्ते. सारा वाले राइट. सारा नमस्ते. 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 सारा वाले राइट.
आप लोगों ने मेरे नमस्ते को पोज बना दिया है, पता है? मैं एक्चुअली बोलती हूँ नमस्ते।
सारा जी.
नमस्ते।
सारा जी. सारा हिट है सारा. बाकी लोग भी करते हैं. बाकी लोग भी करने लगे अभी नमस्ते.
Alright, yes. Can we please have the table? Can we have the cake, please?